Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel, where we embark on a transformative journey from ordinary to extraordinary. Today, we delve into self-improvement and mental health, exploring how these crucial aspects can elevate your overall well-being and lead you toward a more fulfilling life. Self-improvement and mental health are integral components of our journey towards personal growth. They are the foundation for a purpose, resilience, and happiness-filled life. By prioritizing these areas, we enhance our lives and positively impact those around us. Imagine a life where you wake up daily feeling empowered, motivated, and at peace with yourself. This is the promise of embarking on a wellness journey focused on self-improvement and mental health. It's about unlocking your full potential, overcoming obstacles, and embracing a mindset that propels you toward success and fulfillment. Investing in our well-being becomes paramount as we navigate through life's ups and downs. By nurturing our mental health and committing to continuous self-improvement, we pave the way for a brighter, more vibrant future. So join us on this inspiring path towards personal growth, where the benefits are boundless and endless possibilities. Let's together transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Before we embark on a journey toward extraordinary wellness, we must recognize and acknowledge our current state regarding self-improvement and mental health. This reflective process sets the stage for meaningful growth and transformation. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Take a moment to self-reflect and identify areas needing improvement or attention. Are habits or thought patterns holding you back from reaching your full potential? Acknowledging these areas is the first step towards initiating positive change. In mental health, it's crucial to highlight the common challenges many of us face in maintaining well-being. These obstacles can hinder our personal growth and happiness, from stress and anxiety to self-doubt and negative self-talk. Recognizing these challenges is the first step towards overcoming them. Accepting your starting point in the journey towards extraordinary wellness is critical. Embrace where you are today, knowing it's a stepping stone towards a brighter tomorrow. By acknowledging the ordinary aspects of your life, you open yourself to the possibility of transformation and growth. Remember, every extraordinary journey begins with a single step taken from a place of acceptance and self-awareness. As we continue our wellness journey toward personal growth and well-being, we must set clear and achievable goals to guide us to extraordinary transformation. By establishing specific objectives for self-improvement and mental health enhancement, we pave the way for meaningful progress and lasting change. We encourage you, our viewers, to define the goals you wish to accomplish on your wellness journey. Whether you want to cultivate a positive mindset, improve your self-care routine, or enhance your emotional resilience, identifying these objectives is the first step towards creating a roadmap for success. When setting goals, it's essential to emphasize the significance of making them realistic and measurable. Setting attainable milestones allows you to track your progress and celebrate your achievements. This keeps you motivated and keeps you on course towards your desired outcomes. Creating a roadmap toward personal growth and well-being involves breaking down your goals into actionable steps and establishing a timeline for completion. By outlining a clear plan of action, you set yourself up for success and empower yourself to make tangible strides toward becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, every small step forward brings you closer to the extraordinary life you envision. In our quest for extraordinary wellness and personal growth, embracing change is one of the most crucial mindset shifts we can make. Change is the catalyst that propels us forward, challenges us to evolve, and opens the door to new possibilities and opportunities. Recognizing the significance of being open to new experiences and perspectives is essential. By embracing change, we invite growth and transformation into our lives, expanding our horizons and enriching our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. I encourage our viewers to leave their comfort zones and embrace the unknown. In these moments of discomfort and uncertainty, we often experience the most profound growth and self-discovery. We create space for personal development and empowerment by pushing past our fears and limitations. Embracing change holds the transformative power to propel us towards self-improvement and extraordinary wellness. It allows us to shed old habits, beliefs, and patterns that no longer serve us, making room for new beginnings and positive change. By welcoming change with an open heart and mind, we set ourselves on a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Remember, growth begins at the edge of your comfort zone. When nurturing our mental health and overall well-being, cultivating positive habits plays a pivotal role in shaping our daily experiences and long-term outcomes. By focusing on developing habits that support our mental clarity, emotional balance, and personal growth, we lay the foundation for a more fulfilling and vibrant life. Healthy habits that positively impact our well-being include mindfulness, regular exercise, and self-care routines. Mindfulness allows us to stay present in the moment, reducing stress and enhancing our overall sense of calm and clarity. Physical activity boosts our physical health and releases endorphins that uplift our mood and energy levels. Self-care rituals like journaling, meditation, or spending time in nature allow us to recharge and nurture our inner selves. Consistency is critical to practicing positive habits. By incorporating these activities into our daily routines, we create a sense of structure and stability that supports our mental and emotional well-being in the long run. Over time, these habits become ingrained in our lifestyle, leading to lasting improvements in our overall wellness. The impact of positive habits on our mental clarity, emotional balance, and personal growth cannot be overstated. By prioritizing these practices, we empower ourselves to navigate life's challenges with resilience, cultivate a positive mindset, and unlock our full potential for growth and self-improvement. Remember, small daily habits can lead to significant long-term transformations. On the path to extraordinary wellness and personal growth, we will undoubtedly encounter obstacles and challenges that test our resolve and determination. These setbacks, though daunting, present opportunities for growth, resilience, and self-discovery. By addressing common obstacles head-on, we can gracefully navigate difficult times and emerge stronger on the other side. When faced with challenges, it's essential to have strategies for overcoming setbacks and staying motivated. One practical approach is to break down the challenge into smaller, more manageable tasks, allowing you to tackle them one step at a time. Additionally, practicing self-care, seeking inspiration from others, and staying connected to your goals can help you stay focused and motivated during challenging times. Resilience and perseverance are vital qualities when navigating obstacles on the wellness journey. By maintaining a positive mindset, adapting to change, and learning from setbacks, you can build the strength to overcome challenges and progress towards your goals. Seeking support and guidance from others is also crucial when facing obstacles. Whether reaching out to a trusted friend, seeking advice from a mentor, or working with a professional, having a support system can give you the encouragement and perspective needed to overcome challenges and stay on track toward extraordinary wellness. Remember, challenges are opportunities for growth and transformation. Embrace them with courage and determination, knowing that you have the strength within you to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a testament to your dedication, resilience, and commitment to personal growth. I encourage our viewers to recognize and appreciate your progress, no matter how incremental it may seem. Whether mastering a new mindfulness technique, consistently engaging in self-care practices, or overcoming a challenging obstacle, each achievement deserves to be celebrated as a sign of your growth and resilience. Celebrating your achievements is a powerful motivation and inspiration for continued growth. This self-compassion boosts your self-esteem and confidence and reinforces your commitment to personal growth and well-being. So take a moment to celebrate your progress, honor your achievements, and embrace the journey towards extraordinary wellness with gratitude and self-compassion. Remember, every step forward is towards a more fulfilling and vibrant life. As we journey towards extraordinary wellness and personal growth, we must embrace our incredible potential and continue evolving into the best versions of ourselves. Each of us possesses unique strengths, talents, and capabilities that, when nurtured and celebrated, can lead to profound transformations and a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. I encourage our viewers to believe in your ability to reach new heights of personal growth and well-being. Trust in your resilience, creativity, and inner strength to guide you towards the extraordinary life you envision. By cultivating confidence in your potential, you empower yourself to overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and create a future brimming with possibilities. Embracing your uniqueness and strengths is critical to unlocking your full potential on the wellness journey. By committing to ongoing self-improvement and self-exploration, you set yourself toward a life filled with meaning, joy, and fulfillment. Remember, the extraordinary life you seek is within reach, waiting for you to embrace it with courage, passion, and an unwavering belief in your limitless potential. As you continue your journey, remember to practice self-compassion, celebrate your achievements, and embrace your uniqueness and strengths. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, like and share this video with others who may benefit, and explore related resources to support your ongoing growth and well-being. Together, let's embark on this journey toward extraordinary wellness with courage, determination, and a commitment to living our best lives.